Hey guys, I'm Tasha, and today I'm sharing some of the amazing items that you can choose for your winter box. This is all about customization 1, and there are some incredible picks in this customization, so make sure you stick around to the end because I do have a code for you so you can save some money on your box, and I know we all want to save some money. And you may also see an Easter egg that has not been revealed yet, so comment down below if you notice it, and make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and like this video. It really helps us out a lot. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, we have the Rebecca Minkoff Quilted Studded Crossbody. This is made of black vegan leather, which makes it a classic staple piece. We know that you guys want those neutral colors so that you can just pair them with everything, and this definitely fits the bill. I love this bag because it is perfect day or night. It'll carry your blue light glasses at work, and it'll also carry your mini wine bottle for your happy hour. You can wear this on your shoulder or as a cute little crossbody. One of the things that I love about this bag is that it has a zipper. The studded detailing is so cute, and it's got this nice chain here. Rebecca Minkoff, amazing designs, just so pretty, so chic and classic. Absolutely love that this is in the curation this season. This next pick makes my boho loving heart just so happy. This is the Free People Fringe Throw Blanket, and oh my gosh, is she cozy. It's warm and plush, and it has this fun fringe detail. I'm all about the fringe personally. It just adds just a little bit of color. You can put it on your couch, on your chair, you can put it in your room, on your bed, and this is what I like to call my cozies. Once I get in my cozies, I am not moving. I will sit on the couch dehydrating like I am in the Sahara Desert because I am not getting up to get water. No, time to go to bed, not for me. I'm gonna be sitting here for 3 more hours because I'm so comfortable. Work the next morning? Sorry, not a chance. I'm in my cozies, I am calling in sick. Speaking of cozies, let me introduce you to a morning routine must. This is the Splendid Velour Robe. This comes in 3 sizes. We've got small, medium, large, extra large, or plus. It's so comfy, oh my gosh. It is super soft, stretch velour knit fabric. It feels so luxurious and great against the skin. One of the things that I love about this robe is that it has those shorter sleeves so that you're not constantly trying to like fold it up. I do love that it has ties on the inside and on the outside so that you can be nice and secure. No flashing the mailman unless you want to. This is a charcoal with like a tinge of purple to it. I think it's really pretty, but it's still a neutral, so it's just gonna go with any of your PJs. All right, this next pick is top tier. This is the Macy Blackwell tiered app tray. FabFitFun is serving looks and appetizers this season. This is the perfect centerpiece for holiday hosting. It's great for meats, cheeses, fruits, veggies, brunch spreads. You could even take it on a picnic with you. This is just the most amazing hostess hack. It takes up less counter space because it's tiered, and it serves as your centerpiece, and then you can just build around it. So this is made from acacia wood, and what I love about it is that these trays actually come off just like that. When you clean it, you wanna clean it with water and a little bit of soap. You don't wanna put it in the dishwasher or anything like that. And this was created by Macy Blackwell. She is all about family and hosting. Honestly, I look to her for tips all the time. She has some of the best little DIYs. My secret tip is to buy packaged meat, cheese, and breads. But then when you put it on the tray like this, you look like you made everything from scratch. Wine, please. Thank you. The tree is not the only thing getting lit this season. We also have the haps votive set. What's great about it is that it comes with this vessel here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take each individual votive, and there are 3 different scents, and then that way you can just pop it right in there and then switch them out depending on the scent that you want or whenever they run out. The vessel looks good anywhere in your house or outdoors. It's a nice neutral color, so it's really gonna match everything, and it's just gonna set the vibe. These make the perfect hostess gift if you wanna pick them up in additional choice. Next up, we have the LANEIGE Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. This is an instant hydrating serum, and it has a self-melting formula that instantly replenishes your skin with moisture, and it boosts firmness, so 2 in 1 there. It's gonna repair and moisturize with that hyaluronic acid, and then green tea enzyme is gonna gently exfoliate and give a smoother looking appearance to the skin. I also love that it has a mild formula that's suitable for sensitive skin. Some of you guys know I have had some absolute beauty nightmares, and so I really wanna treat my skin to a product that is not going to be abrasive in any way. So what you're gonna do is just pop it open. The packaging is amazing. And then you're gonna apply it evenly to your face in the morning and in the evening after cleansing and toning. LANEIGE is a Korean beauty brand that we know and love and definitely trust their products. You guys loved the commodity fragrances, so we are bringing it back. This is the Commodity Milk Expressive. I am so excited that this is in the box. It's a unisex and genderless scent, so unfortunately Casey will probably be stealing it from me, and I'm gonna need to pick 2, an additional choice, and you should probably do that too if you think your husband is gonna steal from you. Casey is not my husband yet, but he still thinks what's mine is his and what's his is mine, but not until that ring is mine, baby. So this has a really creamy and calming scent. I love this because it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's clean. It has no blacklisted ingredients. As for the scent, it's a sophisticated vanilla, it's warm and woody, and my favorite part is that it has this marshmallow fragrance that's cooled with fresh milk. So I'm just gonna spray it on my pulse points here. You want to spray your perfume on those warmer parts of your body that are going to act as natural diffusers. I really, really love this scent. If you love the sweeter, warm tones, this one is for you. And I also think this would make a perfect layering scent. FabFitFun is making waves this season. This is the INH waiver, and I am excited about this. The temperature goes up to 450 degrees. The hot plates are coated in a tourmaline ceramic glaze that'll minimize damage to your hair. It has an easy to read LCD panel, and that's gonna help you control the heat so that you make sure you're getting exactly what you need. And this is gonna deliver medium-sized waves. If you are like not a curl girl because it's just like too hard to get it to look right, a waver is gonna be your best friend because all you do is open it, close it, hold it, dance it out, wait, don't wait too long, and then open it up. And you get these beautiful little waves. If you use less hair, you're gonna have deeper waves. You're gonna wanna start at the roots, and then you're just gonna lightly clamp, go all the way down the hair. You don't do any like pulling like that. You're literally just clamping, opening, and shutting. Next up, for the skincare lovers, we have the ELEMIS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a member favorite. It's a UK-based brand. It's an award-winning anti-aging cream formulated with powerful marine and plant actives, and it's great for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you love our beauty products, you definitely will want to pick this one. I love for my face creams to have sort of a cream gel consistency, and that's exactly what this one has. It's nice and cooling, spreads really nicely. It's unscented, and I know that's important for some of you guys. ELEMIS is just a very trustworthy brand, so we love this pick. You guys love Fenty Skin, so we are bringing them back. This is the Fenty Skin Watch You Tone Niacinamide Dark Spot Treatment. This has a concentrated cocktail of dark spot fighting ingredients, and that's gonna give you that instantly brighter skin that just gets better as you use it over time. Inside this is niacinamide, vitamin C, licorice root extract, and Barbados cherry to boost overall brightness. It's gonna fade the look of those dark spots and discoloration, which I don't know about you guys, but in the summer months, all of my hyperpigmentation comes out, and then I spend fall and winter trying to brighten that back up and reduce some of those dark spots. So I'm always looking for those really active ingredients that are gonna lighten those spots. You're gonna wanna apply this to clean, dry skin after your toner. Your skin is gonna shine bright like a diamond. Last but not least, we have the piece de resistance. This is the Amber Sceats Stella Crystal Bag. Oh my goodness, it's gonna bring so much glam to your holiday plans and your outfits. I am already picturing me, New Year's Eve, little bit of champagne in hand, counting down. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! Celebrate good times, come on! This is just instantly gonna give you that holiday flair. It features sparkling glass crystals. It's giving very much Taylor Swift, very much bejeweled. Like, I could still make the whole place shimmer. When I wear this, they do not call me Tasha Ball, they call me Disco Ball. You can wear this as a crossbody, or you could just pop it on your shoulder for a nice little elegant moment, and it works as a clutch. I also love that the back is this satin material, so it's not gonna snag, especially like right now I am wearing a satiny dress, so this back is gonna keep that nice and safe. This is a totally new style that we have never had before. I just really think that this is so pretty, not only for those nights when you're going out, but also even just to spice up the everyday. It has a little pocket on the inside that'll go ahead and hold your cards, and then your phone and everything else will fit on this side. Honestly, this is one of my favorite products that we have ever had in a winter box. That was everything in customization 1, plus a little Easter egg. Comment below if you saw it. And here is that code that I promised you earlier. Let me know what you're choosing in the comments below, and I will see you next season. Bye.